CCNA Networking Simulation Challenge, building a virtual lab, staying motivated for success. I'm spinning up a virtual enterprise from scratch. The jump from a 2-switch, 1-router lab to a multi-layered environment is where real CCNA muscle grows. Core distribution access, a mesh of services like taking training wheels off on a highway modern networks ride alongside AI automation, telemetry, zero trust. That means the fundamentals matter more, not less. If I don't own the basics, the smart stuff just breaks faster. And when my first config's faceplant, that's not failure, that's the feedback loop. Every red error is resilience reps for my engineering mindset. Let's blueprint segmentation with VLANs. I move from physical wires to logical lanes. VLAN 10, users VLAN 20, voice VLAN 30, servers VLAN 99, management, isolation stabilizes high-density labs, broadcast stop flooding every port, voice jitter chills out, management stays clean on trunks. I tag with 802.1q. Prune unused VLANs, lockdown native VLANs. Scalability kicks in when I template this across switches. Consistent naming, consistent allowed VLAN lists. No mystery VLANs. Segmentation is great inside a switch, but businesses need end-to-end communication. Enter routing. Time to master connectivity with OSPF Area 0, Core Area 10, access blocks, stub, NSSA, adjacency checklist, same area IDs matching network types, timers aligned, MTU consistent authentication on or off. I set a clear router ID, avoid flapping links, watch DR/BDR elections on multi-access segments. The dopamine hit is a successful ping. The real lesson is when the routing table is empty, show IP OSPF neighbor. Am I stuck at init or two-way? Show IP OSPF interface. Are my timers a network type? Right? Show IP route. Did LSAs even land? If not, fix masks. Add network statements. Enable OSPF on the right interfaces. Professional troubleshooting is a discipline. Physical data link network routing protocol policy tools. Show debug IP OSPF ADJ. Carefully log buffers, packet captures, EVAN-G, GNS3 or packet tracer. I test hypotheses. Change one thing. Measure document and I manage me. Box breathing for 30 seconds, a 2-minute walk, then back to the CLI. Persistent errors. Gold. They separate button pressers from engineers. From lab simulation to career mastery, I package the build. Topology diagram, configs, troubleshooting notes, short readme, VLAN plan, OSPF area design, failure to feedback wins. That's a portfolio piece hiring managers can feel. Skill plus grit for rhythm in 2026 firehose pace. I set a daily 45-minute block, 30 minutes lab, 10 minutes notes, 5 minutes recap. Weekly, I refactor labs for efficiency, add one new concept, OSPF authentication, route summarization. I keep a wall of lessons, file. Top 5 bugs, root, causes, fixes. When I feel stuck, I read it and remember how far I've climbed. Here's the mindset. Every misconfiguration is tuition, not a ticket. Build the lab, break the lab, learn fast because the network is the business, and mastering it is how I build a sustainable, high-level career.